Hey everyone, this is Professor Hall. This is the second video explaining the extra credit assignment. So let me show you a little bit about that assignment that I just gave you. I indicated 6 URLs and you are going to turn those 6 into a beautiful works cited page. I'm going to show you one different one and go through the process with you real quick. Here I am at EasyBib, and as you know, I've already showed you how to create your own site and so forth. I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call this extra credit. Okay, and I'm just going to create it. Now that's going to come in my list of things, and every time I click bibliography, everything I do and cite in here is going to show up on that list because I click bibliography under my new project. So let's find something to cite to add to my extra credit title. Look what I found, y'all. This is a reputable website called the Press Enterprise, and you can see that it's a subscription article website. And look who we have an article about, our very own president, Sandy Mayo. And you can see that this article was written by this gal, published on this date. And this is a lovely article about our own president, Sandy Mayo. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take the URL that I find in the taskbar. Let me show you that real quick. So you see this URL. I'm going to copy this. Now then, I've come back over to my EasyBib project that I started. Remember, I started one called Extra Credit, and I'm going to paste that URL that I just got, and I'm going to click Cite It. And then I'm going to take my hands off and give it a second to see if it already has that citation in the database. See, it's gathering the information. And this is a good one to show because it means that we're going to have to put some information in manually. Okay? So you can see that we're going to need to put information into these red boxes. I know I don't like the red boxes either, but they didn't ask me what kind of color coordinating they should do. So I'm going to go and get the article information and put it in here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went back to the website and I got the title article, and I got the website title, Press Enterprise. I'm going to go ahead and include the URL, yes, and the day that it was published, which I showed you that was at the very top of the article. And now I've put in everything I can, and I'm going to simply create the citation. And there it is. Now, one of the things I'm going to have to fix later is this all caps business. We never use all caps in a bibliography, so when I go back and edit when it's a Word document, then I can do that. Okay, so that's how you're going to add your different citations to your bibliography. Then you'll follow those instructions I gave you before to export as a Word doc and create that. Now I've come back to the classroom. I'm going to go to the bibliography extra credit page, and I'm going to find out what the 6 URLs in there are that I'm going to be using for my citations. Okay, up at the top of the page, you're going to see the little videos that you saw on the announcement page. And then down below, you're going to see here are the list of the 6 URLs that you will be creating in your project. Then you will go to the Submit Here tab and submit that, and there you go. You'll have 3 extra points added to that essay grade from Essay 2, and that's going to help a lot of folks out. So that's your assignment, and I know you're going to do a great job. This is something that's easy to master, and I want to see you all tackle that and prove to yourselves that you can create a very beautiful and perfect MLA bibliography works cited.